Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Log In, where today I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Union Bank account. First of all, just open up any web browser that you are using and go into its search bar and type for Union Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that pops up. After doing so, you'll be taken to the official website of Union Bank. Here you need to input your user ID and passport correctly to log into your bank account. And also there is a verification process where you need to answer the question that is given to you here. A question is, what is the result of 1 plus 1? Now the answer will be 2. Now depending upon the question, answer your question correctly in order to log in. But in case you forgot your username or password, you can use this button right here to forgot your password and reset it. But if you're new here, you can use the button new here to register to Union Bank. So guys, after inputting your user ID and password and also verifying the given question to you, click on login and you'll be logged in into your Union Bank account. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.